Hi guys, how are you today? Okay, the first thing I'm going to need you to do is log in to your email. So, for your email, you're going to need your 4 letters of your last name, followed by the 4 of your first name, and that's going to be at usd268.org, just in case you forgot your email. And then for your password, it's going to be the first 4 of your last name, and then followed by your 4 numbers. Oh, this is backwards. That's okay, but that's your password. Okay, so your first 4 of your last, and then your 4 numbers is your password for your email. Okay. All right, so hopefully you're logged into your email. If you look at the screen, okay, you're going to go over here to your apps. Can you guys see that? You'll click your apps, and then you're going to click on the icon that says Classroom. Okay. When you click on Classroom, that should give you an invite to our class. I sent that to everybody. It's called Begley 1920. It's kind of cut off on your screen, but so you'll click there. You also should have a class code, but I'm not sure if you have to enter that or if you just click on that and click join the class. Yours is a little bit different than mine. So once you're in there, this is what it will look like. But before we get started on that, I want to go over this. Okay, I should have emailed this to your parents as well as to you. These are the things that you must do for the week. So Monday, here's your list of assignments. Tuesday, okay, so you should have clicked on this link to be watching this video. Today your math assignment is to do 5 minutes on Rocket Math, do this worksheet that I'm about to show you in Google Classroom, and then with any of your remaining time, read. I want you to read a book or get on Raz-Kids. Okay, so that would be today. If you want to work ahead, you can. You could go ahead and look at Tuesday's assignment, do Dreambox for 20 minutes, an additional 5 minutes on Rocket Math, and go ahead and start reading chapters 1 and 2 for Shiloh. All right. For breakouts, they're making a choice board for you. I think that's going to be linked to their school website, but I'm not 100% sure yet. But I'll email this to you weekly, and you'll get your assignments for the week, and you can work on them at your own pace. Just don't get behind. Okay? Everything is always going to be due on Saturday at the latest, but you need to try to keep up, because if you get behind, it's going to be really hard for you. So work ahead if you want, but don't get behind. All right, going to Google Classroom. When we're over here, I'm always going to refer to Google Classroom as GC. Okay, I'm going to abbreviate it. All right, so once you're in Google Classroom, this is, I think, what it will look like for you. Mine might look a little bit different than yours. So here will be your list of assignments for the week. So Monday's math assignment is listed here. Your reading assignment isn't something that you need to do through Google Classroom, so I'm not going to list it. Sometimes I might make an announcement just to remind you in Google Classroom, but at this point I'm not going to do a whole lot of announcements. Okay, so you would click on this. I can't because I'm on the teacher side, so I'm going to do it here. Okay, and so this is the document for your assignment. So if you will scroll down, these are the 6 questions that I want you to work out on your own. You should have gotten this in your packet of papers, so you don't even really need this online copy. I'm just doing it so you know what worksheet you're supposed to be doing. And then I want you to use one of the 3 strategies or to use mental math. But I would recommend check at least one of your problems with one of the strategies to make sure you're getting the right answer. Okay? I'm not going to have you turn in your answers to me today. We will go over the answers in our Zoom meeting on Wednesday. So for what you need to turn in to me today is these 2 questions. Okay? Which problem was the hardest? So tell me which one you found to be the hardest. And then which strategy did you like to use best? Okay, I'm going to say our same rules apply as when we're at school. Answer with complete sentences. Use capital letters. Punctuation. Make sure you use your space bar between your words. Okay, it might take you a little bit longer because you're having to actually type and do your keyboarding skills. Okay, so it's going to take you some time at first, but the more we practice, the better we're going to get at this, okay? So I'm trying to keep today's assignment simple. These are the only 2 questions you have to turn in to me. We'll go over the answers for numbers 1 through 6 in our Zoom meeting on Wednesday. If you can't come to the Zoom meeting, like if your brother's doing a class at that time and you can't get on, that's okay. I'll record the video and I'll post it so you can watch it. But if you can be there and be on the Zoom, that's just more fun and exciting for you because you get to be with your class. So, once I have this done, I've answered the questions. How do I turn it in? So, I'm going to play this short little video for you. This teacher shows it. You obviously don't have this many classes, but this is how you're going to turn it in.
Doesn't really matter what class. You're going to choose your assignment. Right, do a short story. Let's add Google Drive.
Okay, so you're going to click Add to the Google Drive. That's important. Okay.
And sometimes it's just easy.
Okay, so what she's saying is sometimes it's easier to, because you're on My Drive, as soon as you open the assignment, it's automatically in your drive. I know, technology, whew, over our heads a little bit. It's going to be okay. We'll figure it out together. So you'll go to My Drive, and the title of your document should be Monday, March 30th. So she's typing in her assignment. You would type it in there. And you'll see her assignment pops up.
Search for it.
Okay.
Also be able to search for it.
So did you, oh, sorry, let me go back just a little bit. Okay, so you can see her documents right there. Your document will be there. So you'll click on it just like she did.
Also be able to search for it. You just select it, and then it's going to upload. Let's use this Google Docs here.
Okay, so then you should see the assignment here. It should say Monday, March 30th. And then you'll click Turn In. Okay? And then you're done. That's it. If you have problems figuring it out, take a deep breath. Try again. Okay? If you can't figure it out, just email me your answers. Okay, email me the answer to question number 1 and question number 2. And when we have our Zoom meeting, we can try to problem shoot and figure out what's going on that's causing it not to work for you. Okay? So, all you need to do today is numbers 1 through 6 for math and answer the 2 questions that I'm asking you. Which one was the hardest? And which strategy do you like the best? Okay? And then for reading, I don't want you to be on technology really anymore, so read a book. If you prefer to be on technology, then you can do Raz-Kids. But I would say reading a book is going to be better for you than just getting on Raz-Kids. Okay? So that's all you have to do for today. Check your assignments every day. Work ahead if you want to, but you don't have to. All right. Bye, guys. Have a good one.